Hey, bro, get your hands out of your pockets.
77 CNN 311 at 84th and Hoover in front of the church. Suspect male, black.
Stop right there.
Shirt, black pants.
Turn around.
On the side. Customer's in 2495. RDA 12.
Turn around.
Hey man, do me a favor. Just turn around and get on the ground.
Turn around.
Turn around.
On your knees.
On your knees, dude. Get on your knees.
Tell Victor 1, can you show myself? Tell Victor 10, Victor 4, Victor 33, code 6, 4800 South Vermont. And can I get the last
Hey, do me a favor, bro. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Hey, no, get on your fucking knees. I'll tell you right now.
5-4 and grandma.
Get on your knees.
Suspect's not complying. Let me get it back.
Hazme un favor. Ponte la bolilla.
Hey, stay right there. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop it.
On a non-compliant suspect.
L50.
Drop it.
Hey, put up.
Identify one.
Hey, don't reach for it.
Officer needs help.
Don't reach for it.
All units, officer needs help, 54th and Gramercy. Officer needs help, 54th and Gramercy. Shots fired. Any unit coming on 77 frequency.
Don't fucking reach for it.
Area team reporting.
Good line. We're walking up.
Don't move. Keep your arms out. Bypass the gun. Move up. Bypass the gun. Hold.
Officers taking the suspect in custody. Officers at 5-2 in Gramercy. You can have the FD. Gramercy's pretty stacked up. If you can have both one east to west down from south on West Allen.
Pat him down that
For the suspect.
Find out where he's at.
12 past 7 3. Stroke before it comes time. And we're in the RA.
Hey, where you shot, man?
All units,
Where you hit, bro? Where you hit?
54th and Gramercy.
Stop blood.
Yeah, right here. Somewhere over here.
Roger, RA is entering.
He's in the right leg.
It's like through his back right there.
Yeah, I got it right here.
Expose it for RA. Who has another glove? Just plug the hole with another glove or just put it extra on?
Somebody give me a glove.
Yeah. Anybody got another glove?
Everybody got an extra glove? Extra
Yeah, I need a
glove?
glove.
Someone else.
Just give me it.
Never mind.
Roger.
What's your name, bro?
The ambulance is coming, bro. You're gonna be good.